Hello and welcome to Online Khan Market. Friends, the UPSC CSE 2021 preliminary examinations results are out, and in this video, I'll be talking to you about which institution gave the maximum selection. If you have any queries, where you should go ahead and contact to these officials. And apart from this, we can also discuss some future prospects, which is to say that where you can go ahead for the main examinations preparation, or for the interview preparation, or for the optional subject preparation, or anything of that sort. So friends, without any further delay, let us begin with the video. Firstly, congratulations to every aspirant who made it to the mains examination and cleared the preliminary examination. Please keep the hard work so that you can also clear the other two rounds of the UPSC. Alright, let's start with the first thing. If you have any doubt or query regarding your result, where you should go ahead and contact. So friends, the UPSC has a facilitation counter near the examination hall building in its premises at Dholpur House, Shahjahan Road, New Delhi. Candidates may obtain any information or clarification regarding their results of this examination on all working days between 10 am to 5 pm in person, or you may call them as well. The numbers are 011-233-85271, the second number being 011-23098-543, and the final number you may call on is 011-233-81125 from the facilitation counter. Alright. So friends, one important aspect now becomes is that so many people are selected and you are not sure that which institution is good for you for the main examination preparation. So friends, let me tell you that the Plutus IAS gave the maximum selection in this preliminary round of 2021 UPSC examination. Yes friends, you should definitely go ahead and try Plutus IAS for sure. Let's discuss Plutus IAS in detail, but before that, I also want to tell you that if you clear main examination, Plutus IAS also gives you a very excellent interview preparation and interview mock strategy so that you do well in that as well. Okay, without any further delay, let's discuss about the Plutus IAS. Let me tell you first that what Plutus IAS coaching provide their students. 1. Online classes with highly experienced faculty, weekly quiz, test series, study material, video lectures, daily newspaper, daily current affairs, strategy planning, and finally monthly magazine for current affairs. Friends, apart from this, there are specific features of digital coaching, which is an important aspect in current scenario, includes 1. Highly interactive teachers and sessions, meaning that you can interact with your teachers in a much better way in this coaching institute. Alright, let's move on to the second benefit of this institution when it comes to digital classes. Second, we can talk about instant doubt clearance, as in when students ask doubt, their doubt is cleared, and then they also provide you chat facility available. Classes can also be recorded and can be used for revision. Visual interaction with faculty can also be done easily, and each student can hear voice of other student on portal as well. Alright, the mail ID includes info@plutusias.com and contact number is 8448440231. So friends, I hope you got the update regarding the UPSC 2021 preliminary examinations result, and you also now know that Plutus IAS was the coaching which gives the maximum selection in this examination. I hope you definitely know the Plutus IAS working, what are the benefits of joining that institution, and how Plutus IAS can help you reaching your end goal and clear the mains examination as well and the interview too. So friends, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more updates like this.